How to use onion juice for hair growth. Who does not wish to have hair that is long, strong and super voluminous? Hair is considered to be the crowning glory, and it is only natural that everyone wants healthy and lustrous hair. But because of various factors like pollution, lifestyle habits and age, hair thinning, dandruff and balding are some common problems that people have to deal with. All these hair concerns, when combined with stunted hair growth, can leave you with short, unhealthy hair with little chance of healthy hair growth. But don't give up just yet, as we have something super easy yet effective in store for you. Don't forget subscribe and hit the bell. Introducing onion juice for hair. Yes, this easily available ingredient in almost every kitchen is a really effective remedy against hair loss and thinning. Benefits of onion juice for hair. From promoting healthy hair growth to reducing breakage and hair loss, onion juice is your definite one-stop solution. So whether you are rapidly losing hair or are simply looking for an effective natural way to keep your hair healthy and voluminous, you have just found your answer. Research claims that using onion juice for hair growth delivers noticeable results in as little as 1 month. Here are all the reasons why onion juice helps with hair growth so effectively. Applying onion juice to your scalp is a great way to boost an antioxidant called enzymes, which is why you see a rapid increase in hair growth. The sulfur content in onion is what helps to nourish your strands and stimulate dormant hair follicles to reduce hair fall and boost hair growth. Since onion juice is a great source of antioxidants, it helps prevent environmental damage. This means that regularly massaging your scalp with onion juice reverses as well as delays the graying of hair. The antibacterial properties of onion juice keep scalp infections at bay, ensuring a healthy hair growth. Additionally, regularly applying onion juice is a great way to see a definite reduction in hair fall. How to make onion juice at home. Peel the onions and chop them into tiny pieces. Blend these pieces together, add water for a seamless blend. Either strain the water or use the blended paste as it. As for how to use pure onion juice on your hair, follow this step-by-step process. Step 01. In a bowl, extract the juice of 1 onion and dip a cotton pad in it. Step 02. Apply this pad to your entire hair scalp and leave it on for a couple of minutes. Step 03. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo and conditioner. Step 04. Post-wash, you can apply a few drops of any essential oil to your strands to help combat the strong smell of onions. How to use onion juice for hair growth. For someone who is struggling with hair thinning and balding, onion juice can prove to be extremely useful. It is a sure-shot method to naturally boost hair growth and promote hair regrowth. The ideal way of applying onion juice recipes is to focus on the scalp. Being an antioxidant, this DIY treatment can improve the health of your scalp. Onion juice replaces should also be applied to the strands in order to stimulate dormant hair follicles to reduce hair fall and boost hair growth. It also helps prevent environmental damage.